Hey guys, it's me, CC1 AJ here, and today I'll be doing a short mail time for you guys, and any spike that I get in here, I'll be giving it away to one lucky winner. So let's get right on to the video. So here is the first one. These are not any of them, but here is the first one. So I'm gonna close my eyes, even though I didn't say. But in 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, guys. So I just came through my first ever giveaway winner. Or not giveaway winner, but I'm going to keep that because I'm going to give away at the end of this video. Now let's go down, go down. Alright, here is the other one. I don't know what she's talking about, but let's just get on to the gift. Okay, it's a princess necklace, so I'm gonna keep it in my jam rooms because I'm not gonna give that away. It says it's fine. And she gave me a rare custom spike collar, so I'll be giving that away too. Now let's go down. Alright, from Pink Socks. She's actually an AJ YouTuber, and she was live streaming, I think, a few days ago, or it was yesterday. So here's the gift she gave me. Rare ballet shoes. I'll keep those in my jam rooms. These are from this fan called Carlsa121. And let's go open up her gift. Bow and arrows. Oh, let's see the other one. These are very great gifts that you guys give me. And if you want to send me anything, my username will be in the link below. Oh, Zios mask. Those are, I think, beta, clothing beta. I'm gonna keep those in there. It says odds of someone gifting Spike is low, but I have a feeling they gave me something very bad because it says odds of someone gifting Spike. So let's go see. Yes, of course it's a necklace. I don't get why, but it's still nice that they gifted me. This is from Hot Dog. She was also, or he was also on Pink Socks 8 and Jamal live stream. Shout out to Hot Dog, and also shout out to Carlsa121. And he gave me a Jamadi tree hat. I also gave that away to one of my besties, so now I have it back. Here's from Tiger4Me33. She's also an Animal Jam YouTuber. And yeah, so let's go open her gift. A golden unicorn horn. I'm pretty sure those are in the Epic Wonders, but that's still fine. You won, you just were not on. Alright, so it's a hat with dreadlocks. So yeah, it kind of looks like a squid, but it's hair. Animal Jam Rocks from Tiger4Me33. Oh my gosh, guys, another rare spiked collar. I'll be giving that away at the end of the video also. Animal Jam Rocks. Oh my gosh, we got a duplicate of the rare custom spike collar. I'm gonna give that away at the end of the video also. And giveaway winner from Swagster00. And their rare infinity glasses. I'll keep those in there because I'm so sorry because, you know, I posted this video about my purple long collar was scammed, so that's why she said she's sorry. And she gave me rare pigtails. That's all she could give me at that time, but still fine. Congrats on winning, fam. Yeah, she's one of my biggest fans. So I won a marshmallow snowman. I'll put that in my den later. Happy summer. I've been feeling this is probably gonna be something nice. So I'm gonna close my eyes and open it in 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. An elephant plushie. So pretty nice. Elena 3136 said Animal Jam rocks with a gift attached to it. And it says another Zios item. And it's a Zios balloon. And thank you. Let's go open my very last gift from Carlissa121 saying Animal Jam rocks with a gift also attached to it. And it's a rare anchor ball cap. So that was all my gifts. Now let's just go spin the wheel. I'm going to spin it off camera because, you know, just some other people's users, they don't want to be bugged. So I'm going to go look up the wheel to decide and just spin the wheel. So guys, the winner of the Spike giveaway is Carlissa121. I'm not sure I said that right, but she's the winner of the giveaway. So let me just get on record of me gifting to her. You may have seen her in one of my videos. I accidentally unbuddied her because I was freeing up space, so let me go buddy her back and gift her the Spike on record. So guys, I am back. Oh. Okay guys. Okay, so I invited her to my den. So she came. She's not accepting. Let me just say, can we be buddies again? Okay, gosh. The grammar, guys. So, yeah. So, she's super excited that she won the giveaway, and let me just go buddy her now. Alright, so she's now my buddy. I'm going to say trade or gift. Guys, I'll put on trade the items I'm going to give away. She said trade, so I'm going to trade her right after I put on the things that I'll be giving away. I'm going to leave those for another video maybe, but here is the item. Trade me, or I trade you. It's fine if I... Okay, yeah. So I'm going to trade her, guys. So I'll trade... Oh, rare hockey mask. That's magenta looking, but I don't really think it's rare, as if the real magenta thing, but I think it might be. So here is the prize, and since she's been a fan for so long and I accidentally unbuddied her, I am going to give her one extra prize, and that is going to be I'll come back to you guys whenever I figure out the last prize. So I decided to give her an epic dragon mask and an epic star hat. So here it is. And yes, she accepted. So let me just accept. And congrats if you're watching this, Rosa121. So yeah. So she's super hyped right now. So I'm going to end this video right here, and she just fainted. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video right now. She knows the drill. Note, mind the background noise. Plus, Carlissa121, if she watches all my videos, she knows that we always say, oh gosh, guys. So it is peace. Bye, guys.